Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Arnagar robotic vacuum cleaner, SA the model, smart home easy life, indoor only. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out all about this vacuum. That's why stay with me, it will be a long video and find out all about this vacuum. Okay, Arnagar again. Ooh, there's a vacuum. Nice and glossy. The manual, of course, if you want to read this, your choice. But stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Okay, now let's see one by one all the accessories at the box, starting with the mop support, one duster cloth, another replacement, easy to remove, and you can wash it at your washing machine. And we've got 10 one-use cloths, and they go here. Nice and easy to remove, and that. And installing again your duster cloth, fits perfectly. We've got one cleaning knife, hard brass, and the knife here. The charger, it is output 24 volt 1.2 amp. And there is the charging base. We've got these two contact metal blades are coming in contact with the main unit and start charging. LED indicator. And here we can connect the power adapter. Perfect. Rubber at the base, prevent any movement in the position where's the base. It helps a lot because when the vacuum it comes at the base for charging, it will not move, it will stay there. Okay, nice. And of course we've got and this side brass, another side brass. The main unit, it has already pre-installed one. It has only one. Now let's install the power adapter. Goes here. Even if you don't want the unnecessary cable, you can fold it at this position. Or you want all the cable. Now at the main unit we've got the Arnagar logo, on-off button and the dock spot button and the laser radar. Now at the downside of the Robo Vacuum we've got the one side brass. Of course we've got the wheels. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 clip sensor, 360 wheel at the front. And of course we've got the main brass with the main brass cover. Just press these two, release, and you can remove the main brass, clean it as well, and after a long time you can replace it. The inlet for the dust goes at the water dust container. I will show you in that. And easy to install, of course. Press and locks. That was all. And here at this area, it is the mop assembly. That was all, clicks and lock. And there is two buttons here, just pull and release. You need to pull these two levers and remove it from the main unit. Very easy. To remove the 2-in-1 water and dust collector, just press that, remove it, and there's the tank. Here it is the water inlet. Fill up with water, 250 ml. Seal it very well, rubber. And just press this lever and disconnect the cap. Inside we've got the container for the dust, the filter. Pull that, remove the filter. Another filter inside. 300 ml is the dust container. You can clean it. Replace the filter after a long time. It is a HEPA filter H11 holding 99.99% of dust particles and easy to install. Locks. And we can see here are the water tubes. Here it is the micro pump inside and fits water to the main unit and start mopping. The two blades comes in contact with the base and start charging. Here is for the micro pump and here for charging. They come in contact inside and give power to the battery. Overall, I can say it is a very good construction. The 2-in-1 water container and dust, I like it. And just press again this and install it, very easy. Now, at the other side of the Robo Vacuum, we've got the ear sensor here. Let's remove this two foam. It is the bumper, collision bumper. And here we've got the wall following PST and the reset button. Now this unit inside it has a 5200 mAh lithium ion battery pack. The rated power is 50 watt and the working voltage is 14.4 volt. And you need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for connecting to your router and manage all the settings and the options from your smartphone, from the app, from the Arnagar app. You can download from iOS or Google Play Store. I already make the account, add the device, Arnagar S8. Let's power it on. LED light is flashing at the base. Find the right spot of your base. You need to have a 50 centimeters at the left and 50 centimeters at the right and 1.2 meters at the front clearance. No obstacles. Now let's turn it on. Just press the on-off button for about 3 seconds.
The vacuum mop has started.
Okay, perfect. And by just pressing the on-off button and the home button for 3 seconds,
Wi-Fi has been reset.
it is on a connection mode. Choose from the app. The indicator is flashing slowly. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Confirm. Connect your mobile device to the Vac IB hotspot. Go to settings. There's the vacuum, Arnagar S8. Always connect. Now let's go back. Next, distribution network.
The vacuum mop is starting to pair.
And now it's starting the connection.
Connected successfully.
That was very easy. And here we can see the menu. Just press charge.
Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.
Perfect. Let's go firmware update.
Firmware update is starting. The vacuum mop will come back later. Firmware update has been completed.
Perfect.
Charging.
And start.
Cleanup is starting.
Well guys, that was all about this Arnagar S8. That was the part 1 video. On my part 2 video, I will show you the testing, the suction power, how it can clean and mop my area. And we're gonna find out more about this app, how we can use the app, what is the right settings at the right moment. Give me some time, see how it works, and I will come back with a part 2. It will be a long video, that's why I have decided just to separate on part 1 and part 2. For now I can say thumbs up is doing an amazing job, this vacuum, cleaning very well, corners and all the spots. If you want to find out more about this vacuum, you can check down below in the description, there is a link, just click it and find more information about this vacuum. But stay with me for the part 2 just to see the suction power and how well it's doing cleaning my home. Thank you again for watching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.
Cleanup completed. Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.